Welcome to the future of gaming and performance. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful PC setups you can build in 2025, the Intel Core i9 13900KS paired with the beastly RTX 4090. Buckle up because this is a rig built to dominate. First, let's talk about the brain of this monster setup, the Intel Core i9 13900KS. This 24-core, 32-thread processor boasts a clock speed of up to 6 GHz, making it an absolute powerhouse for gaming, streaming, and productivity. And here it is, the NVIDIA RTX 4090, the ultimate graphics card for 4K gaming, ray tracing, and content creation. With 24 GB of GDDR6X memory and unparalleled AI performance, this card is in a league of its own. For this build, we're using a top-tier Z790 motherboard to unlock the full potential of the i9 13900KS. We've paired it with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 7200 MHz for insane multitasking and rendering speeds. Installing the RTX 4090 is no small task. This GPU is a literal giant, but with proper cable management and a sturdy case, it fits perfectly. We've also added a 1200-watt platinum-rated PSU to handle the power demands of this rig. Cooling the i9 13900KS is critical, so we've gone with a 360mm AIO liquid cooler to keep temperatures in check, even under heavy loads. Let's talk performance. In Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing maxed out, this system delivers over 120 frames per second at 4K, thanks to the RTX 4090's DLSS 3.5 technology. Meanwhile, in Microsoft Flight Simulator, we're seeing silky smooth gameplay at over 100 frames per second with photorealistic visuals. For creators, the combination of the i9 13900KS and RTX 4090 is unbeatable. In Blender, renders are completed in record time, and Adobe Premiere Pro exports feel lightning fast. Even with these powerful components, thermal performance is solid. The i9 13900KS stays cool at around 70 degrees Celsius under load, while the RTX 4090 peaks at 65 degrees Celsius, thanks to its advanced cooling design. This setup does draw a significant amount of power, up to 850 watts during heavy gaming. But with an efficient PSU, power delivery is smooth and reliable. So is this the ultimate PC for gamers and creators? Absolutely. The Intel i9 13900KS and RTX 4090 combo delivers unmatched performance, future-proofing, and the kind of power that will keep you ahead of the curve for years to come. Whether you're pushing the limits in 4K gaming or speeding through intensive rendering tasks, this setup has you covered. If you're as excited about this build as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more epic tech content. Let me know in the comments, what games or tasks would you put this rig to the test with? Until next time, happy gaming and creating.